Welcome to Chris Cook For You Too. Sometimes some of the simplest things to cook can be the hardest things to cook if you don't know how. So today we're just going to be cooking bacon, and so let's get started. Here I have a package of bacon. Now you can use your favorite kind of bacon. It doesn't matter. Now normally what I do is I cut my bacon in half. I'm not going to do that today, but I normally cut it in half. So I can take one piece of bacon and get 2 pieces of bacon out of it. And I think that your family really don't notice it that much. So what you want to do is, we're not going to fry the bacon, because if you fry the bacon, you're going to get a lot more shrinkage than if you put it in the oven and cook the bacon. So we're just going to put some pieces in the oven, and I'm going to show you exactly how this is done, and your bacon will come out crisp every time. Now you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, which I'm doing right now, so you may hear my oven go off. And then I'm just going to take some pieces and I'm going to put it on this non-stick bacon sheet. Now if you don't have a non-stick bacon sheet, you might want to take a little bit of your old cooking oil and put it on a paper towel, and you might want to just wipe it over your pan that you're going to be baking in, so that there goes my oven, so that your bacon does not stick to the bottom of the pan. But if you have a baking sheet that's coated, then you want to go ahead and use that. So I have the bacon already on the baking sheet, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in my oven, 350 degrees. I'm going to bring you in when I get ready to when it's partially done, because I'm going to flip it over to the other side and let it finish baking. But this baking, but this, you should get a perfect piece of bacon every time. And if you like me, you want to save, just cut your bacon in half. So instead of me having 3, 6, 7 pieces of bacon, I'll get 14. And really, I don't think your family will notice it that much. Mine don't. So I'll be right back. Okay, now my bacon is partially done. See how my pieces are remaining flat? So at this point, I'm just going to flip it over on the other side. I'm going to put it right back in my oven and let it continue the cooking process. This is real simple, but if you cook it on top of the stove, you know that you get a shrinkage with it. So you don't want to do it that way. This is the better way to do it. And like I said, I cut mine in half, so I can have the delusion of having more pieces, which I don't, but they don't really pay that much attention. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the oven and let it finish the cooking process. Okay, I'm back and my bacon is ready. Hand me a piece of paper towel. Now, when you take your bacon off of this, you need to put it on something to let the grease finish draining off of it. So, I'm just going to stick mine. I put a piece of paper towel over on there. I got a piece of paper towel over on this plate. So I'm going to put this bacon on and let this bacon drain. Whoa, there you go. The grease off. Now, if you look at this bacon, the one thing that I want you to see how straight and flat my bacon is? There it is. So I'm going to let it sit and drain for a few minutes. Then I'll bring you back. I'll hold up a piece and show you what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, and the grease has drained off of the bacon. So I just want to show it to you. It don't really matter which piece I put. Look at that. Straight piece of bacon. All of it. Straight piece of bacon. That's the way you want to fry your bacon up, where you're getting straight pieces. I hate when my bacon is all shriveled up, because what happens with that is when you get ready to eat it, they will eat a whole, that's just my oven, they will eat a whole piece of bacon in one bite. So if you got it like this, at least it takes about 3 bites before it gets to the end. That's the way to fry real good, crispy bacon. Just wanted to bring that to you because, like I said, sometimes the easier things to do are the harder things to do. So this is just an easy way to cook bacon. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris Cook for You Too. Bye.